tracking, we saw, 100, 200, all the way up to 700, they're all in Luzon. So we said, we should really branch out because we are really opening more stores outside of Metro Manila and Luzon. That's why we selected, of course, Davao City, and we have this beautiful store. So it really aligned. Our stars aligned for this 800 store. But this is not just why we are here. So yung 800 store na yun, as I said, still growing because last year we opened 65 new stores, and this year we'll be opening at least 75 new stores. Before you know it, i-invite namin kayo ulit kasi 1,000 stores na ang McDo. So abangan natin yan. But in the meantime, ano pa ba ang pwede nyo abangan? So whenever we open a new store, not only do we provide employment opportunities, sabi nga, di ba, meron tayong 100 na mga Dabawenyo na may regular employment. Kasi sa McDo, bawal ang contractual. So, we're all excited to serve you. Why? Because we have a lot of things in store for our Filipino customers. And allow me the opportunity to share some of these exciting things ahead for McDonald's. Okay, so on the next slide. So, we said, nakita niyo po ba si Sir Kenneth? So, nag-promise siya na gusto niya talagang bumisita ng Davao, and that's why he is here today. So, he is the son of our chairman and founder, Dr. George Tiang, and together, father and son, are the master franchise holders of McDonald's here in the Philippines. Sila lang po ang kausap ng McDonald's Corporation, whose headquarters in Chicago, Illinois. So, last March, we were given a go signal that we will be renewing our franchise with McDonald's Corp. Another 20 years. So, 20 years pa po ako may trabaho. So, hooray for today. Na-secure ko po. Yun po talaga. Nung sinabi, may work pa ako for the next 20 years. I'm so happy. Pero hindi, ibig sabihin, tuloy-tuloy lang ang pag-grow ng McDonald's here with our new 20-year license term. Okay, so next slide. More feel-good moments ahead. So this was what we promised when we announced our 20-year license term renewal, and here it goes. So, what can we look forward to at McDonald's? Ay, nawala. Sorry. Sorry. Skip mo na lang sa slide. Audio. Okay. So, there. What's next? Okay. So, ang McDonald's, nag-open kami ng mga stores, pero nag-open din kami ng mga bahay bulilit learning centers as part of our commitment to be part of local communities. So kung meron kaming 800 store this year, we are also celebrating another milestone with our 50th Bahay Bulilit, which will be opening in Leyte. Yes, so sa Leyte yung 50th natin sa Naval Biliran. Yes, so there, okay. Next. Siyempre sa McDo, marami pa tayo mga special offers. Kagaya na, kung nakikita nyo, finally, the Grimace Party is now available for booking, so you can enjoy this new party theme. So what's great about this party theme is hindi lang siya for kids, but it can also be celebrated. Yung theme niya can be for adults. And our new party theme comes with a lot of fun premiums like bucket hats, socks, and even the Grimace tote bag. So, if you're planning your next party, Grimace Party is for you. Okay, so for our next kaabang-abang, sino po dito ang may McDo app? Yung may special deals. Great. Kasi if you do have your McDo app, sinasabi ko as early as now, please opt in and start to collect your rewards. Because all you need to do is opt in with your account. Every time you purchase, scan your QR code and you will be collecting My McDo rewards. Ang ganda ng reward system because kung nakita nyo dyan, you'll be able to claim free items, food items, and eventually premium merchandise and experiences. Mura din maka-earn ng point. So, sino may alam kung magkano ang, paano maka-earn ng 1 point? Si ma'am.
Oh, yes, excellent. Si Mama namang nagko-collect na ng loyalty points. So it's actually a very great loyalty program because for those 10 pesos for every of your purchase, 10 pesos worth equals 1 point. So talagang makaka-earn kayo sa loyalty app. So again, do download the McDonald's app, opt in, and start to earn points via dine-in, take-out, and drive-thru. Okay. Ito, exciting because speaking of the McDonald's app, today is the special advance para sa mga only at McDo app users. So they will get first dibs to enjoy and experience the comeback, ang pagbabalik ng Twister Fries. And to the rest of our customers, it will be available starting tomorrow. Excited? So yes, so Twister Fries is back. Okay, so hindi lang yun yung mga new offers. Of course, we are also committed to providing value for money and special deals. So ito yung mga special offers that we have and you can enjoy. So, sino may favorite ng iced coffee? Iced coffee, yan. O, mamaya mag-iced coffee tayo. Okay. Next, and on July 6, so para sa ating much pinasarap, much pinaki at much crispier and juicier chicken McDo, meron tayong special promo in celebration of National Fried Chicken Day. Ayan siya. So meron tayong free upgrade with your one-piece chicken to a royal float. So, yes, masarap. Masarap royal float. Na-try nyo na? Di pa. Okay, next. Thank you. So speaking of mga float, our latest and ongoing promotions are our Squish Malo Happy Meals and our Squish Malo Float. So we have, kaya ko yan, raspberry, grape, and bubblegum. Cotton candy, mali. Sorry, cotton candy. So hanggang till today. So you have until today to enjoy these floats. So kung nakikita nyo talaga namang McDo is not just opening more stores but really making our customers and employees have a great time here in our store. So maraming salamat for celebrating our 800 store with us on this Monday morning. So I hope you enjoy the food and I'll see you again soon. So, daghan salamat sa inyo tanan and maayong good fun.